This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Wednesday, the 4th of December. This is James Spann. Alabama's weather turning wet tonight. Rain amounts will likely be on the light side, but a more meaningful rain event is coming up early next week, Monday and Tuesday. That should bring some pretty beneficial rain in here. All the new data is in, so let's look at it together. This is the upper air look today. Kind of the same idea. We've got this broad trough over the eastern states. Little waves come down the backside of that trough. And underneath that, little wave in the southern stream producing some light rain west of the state, and that will bring some light rain in here tonight. Here's a look at the visible satellite image, and you can see that the sky is sunny this afternoon over southeast Alabama, but mostly cloudy over the northwest counties of the state. Those clouds will overspread the entire state tonight. And underneath those clouds, we have rain falling over parts of Mississippi, much of Louisiana, southern Arkansas. And again, most of the state will see some rain tonight, but again, amounts will likely be under 1/2 inch. This will not be a big event tonight. Well, a pretty good warm-up today. We actually had a couple of spots in the upper teens this morning, but we've got 50s on the board for North Alabama. Birmingham at 54, Huntsville 52. Look at Mobile, tropical heat wave. They've got 63. And obviously no issues with snow or ice tonight. The clouds coming in, temperatures will stay well above the freezing mark. But up north, it is snowy, windy, and cold. Look at all the winter storm warnings in effect around the Great Lakes, lake effect snow bands, up into parts of New England. All the areas in brown on that map, those are wind advisories. No severe storms expected through tonight. However, there could be some thunder across Louisiana and some of the adjacent states. Tomorrow, maybe a rumble of thunder on the Gulf Coast, but again, nothing severe. And on day 3, which is Friday, again, no severe storms expected, maybe some thunder for parts of West Texas. Rain for the next 7 days. And again, we've got potential for a pretty good event in here early next week, beginning Sunday night through Monday and Tuesday. Rain amounts between 2 and 3 inches for much of the state. We'll take that, and the new drought monitor comes out tomorrow morning. And again, I don't expect a lot of change. We obviously need the rain. A pretty good chunk of the state still in drought conditions. So model fans, here we go. This is the high-resolution HRR, H-R-R, high-resolution rapid refresh, valid tonight at 10 o'clock. And you can see we might see a little light rain and scattered spots around. We've got the 7A State Football Championship at Protective Stadium in downtown Birmingham tonight. Thompson versus Central Phoenix City. They'll be in the 40s. There might be a touch of light rain during the second half, but the better chance of light rain most likely is after midnight. This is tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock. And again, if you're in Huntsville, the Shoals, the Tennessee Valley, I don't know if you get much at all from this, but evidence we'll see some rain tomorrow morning over south and west Alabama. Here's a look at the GFS tomorrow. This is kind of the big picture. This is the upper air look, and again, big trough in the northeast. And by afternoon, any light rain in far south Alabama, down around Mobile and Baldwin counties, Escambia County. So the bottom line is for most of the state, tomorrow rain ending early, the sky becoming partly sunny. A new shot of colder air comes in. North Alabama probably holding in the 40s much of the day. This is Friday. Now, Friday morning is going to be the coldest morning of this cold spell, I think. We're going to see, for most spots, lows between 17 and 25. I think we see a freeze all the way down to the beaches. It will be clear, light wind, perfect radiational cooling morning. So very cold early Friday, a hard freeze. The high Friday in the 40s for the northern two-thirds of the state, low 50s for South Alabama. Saturday as the weekend begins. Again, a freeze likely Saturday morning, most spots in the 20s. But the pretty good warm-up, the high Saturday should be in the 50s, and any rain should be well to the west. We think Saturday will be a dry day. And then Sunday, rain could push into the northwestern part of the state Sunday afternoon, but the rain becomes more widespread Sunday night. And Sunday's highs, upper 50s and low 60s. And again, early next week, a pretty good rain event. This is Monday. This is Tuesday, still a chance of rain. And this is a week from today, Wednesday, the 11th of December. Look at the trough. I kind of go in negative tilt, a deep surface low forming right on top of the state. And if this is right, we'll have a soaking rain Wednesday of next week. Now, I will caution you, The GFS has not been performing that well of late, and the European is kind of suggesting the big rains will be Monday and Tuesday with dry air coming in Wednesday. So, again, there's a lot of uncertainty here in the details, but the idea is good. It's solid that we're going to see a good beneficial rain event Sunday night, Monday, Tuesday of next week, maybe into Wednesday. Let's go out 10 days. This is Saturday, December 14th. 11 days before Christmas. Wow. Hey, look what's happening here. A ridge pumping up. How about that? And accordingly, we're dry with temperatures maybe a little above average. Rain for Birmingham. This is coming off the European ensemble. The mean, it's over 2 inches between now and the 19th of December. Temperatures off the National Blender model. You can see the roller coaster ride there. New shot of cold air coming in tomorrow. 22 for Birmingham Friday morning, which means many places will be in the teens. But then we bounce back with 50s for the weekend, mid-60s Monday and Tuesday with rain. And then for the latter half of next week, highs mostly in the 50s, lows mostly in the 30s. Not quite as cold as what we have now. And there's the latest 8 to 14-day guidance. And you know what I'm going to do here? I'm going to check to see if we happen to have an update. Going a little early today. I'll be live out at a Toys for Tots event tonight. And the new one is not in, but the bottom line is temperatures near, maybe slightly above average. This is for December 11th through December the 17th. And hey, we got to roll some Children's of Alabama Kid Cam video. Every year, it's kind of a tradition. I go to Ross Bridge, that beautiful resort in Hoover, and we gather together by the fireplace. All the kids in the neighborhood come out, and they're dressed in their PJs, and the mamas and daddies are there, and I read a couple of Christmas books, and money is raised for local ministries. And what a crowd. It was packed in there last night. We had a great time. Those kids were outstanding. We had so much fun. It's an amazing, marvelous time of the year. So again, to all those families coming out to see me at Ross Bridge Resort in Hoover, thanks a lot for a great visit earlier. Actually, last night. Not earlier today, but last night you guys are looking great. So tonight I will be out doing a live shot for Toys for Tots. The annual Toys for Tots drive is underway. And our big 30-hour push to get all the toys in, that is beginning Friday, going through Sunday. But the big days are Friday and Saturday. But tonight I'll be live out at the warehouse. I'll be out there with the Marines. They do the hard work. They gather the toys. They distribute the toys. And then Friday I'll be back live at the Walmart on Highway 150 in Hoover. That's one of the collection points. So if you get a chance, come by and see us. Tomorrow going to be up in DeKalb County, Plainview High School in Rainsville. A lot of fun. And Friday I'll be speaking to the Teachers of the Month. And the Drummond Company sponsors that. And we're going to have a luncheon, get a chance to see them. I love to encourage teachers. They're the greatest. And then Saturday it's a book signing, and we are in Jasper at the Lavish Coffee Bar, downtown Jasper, from 10 until 1. And again, this is a very, very good opportunity. If you have a weather weenie in your family, dweeb, nerd, dork, like me, there's some pretty good Christmas gifts. All the T-shirts and hats. Of course, we'll have the books, our children's books. It's good stuff. So we want to see you there. Jasper, 10 to 1, Lavish Coffee Bar. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.